A world still ruled by instinct. Here, a world still ruled by instinct. Here, survival is dictated by climate, by geography, and by an unforgiving cycle of predator and prey. Seasons transform these environments, bringing abundance in summer and scarcity in winter. To survive here, animals must evolve extraordinary strategies, from physical adaptations to complex hunting techniques and seasonal migrations. This is a land where ecosystems are shaped not by human design, but by nature itself. This is the wild heart of North America. This is Wild USA. Grizzly Bear, the omnivore giant in the forests and river valleys of Alaska and the northern Rockies, lives a predator whose strength defines wilderness itself, the grizzly bear. Adult males can weigh more than 700 pounds and possess a bite force strong enough to crush bone. Despite their massive size, grizzlies are omnivores. Their diet changes with the seasons. In spring, they feed on grasses and roots. In summer, berries and insects. And by late summer, they rely heavily on spawning salmon. Salmon provide essential fat reserves, allowing the bear to accumulate up to 3 pounds of body weight per day. As winter approaches, grizzlies retreat into dens dug deep into mountainsides. Here, their metabolism slows dramatically. Heart rate drops, breathing becomes shallow, and they survive entirely on stored body fat for up to 6 months. Gray wolf, social predator. In the boreal forests of Northern America, the gray wolf thrives through cooperation. Unlike solitary hunters, wolves rely on pack dynamics. Each pack functions as a social unit with defined roles and leadership hierarchies. Through coordinated pursuit, wolves can isolate weak or injured prey, such as elk or moose. This natural selection process helps maintain the health of prey populations by removing the most vulnerable individuals. In doing so, wolves indirectly protect vegetation by preventing overgrazing, a crucial ecological function. ELK, Migratory Herbivore. Across open valleys and mountainous terrain, large herds of elk move with the seasons. In summer, they graze on high-altitude meadows, rich in grasses and flowering plants. But as winter approaches, deep snow forces them to migrate to lower elevations. Male elk grow massive antlers each year, which can weigh up to 40 pounds. During the fall breeding season, known as the rut, males engage in dramatic vocal displays called bugling to attract mates and intimidate rivals. Mountain lion, ambush hunter. The mountain lion is one of America's most adaptable predators. Found in deserts, forests, and mountains, this solitary hunter depends on stealth. Rather than chase its prey, the mountain lion stalks silently before launching a powerful ambush attack. Its muscular hind legs allow it to leap distances exceeding 40 feet. Deer make up the majority of its diet, but mountain lions will also hunt smaller mammals when necessary. American bison, ecosystem engineer. The American bison once roamed the continent in vast herds. Today, they remain essential to grassland ecosystems. Their grazing patterns encourage plant diversity. Their hooves disturb soil, helping seeds take root, and their waste provides nutrients for insects and birds. Despite weighing nearly a ton, bison can sprint at speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. Bald eagle, aerial predator. With a wingspan exceeding 7 feet, the bald eagle dominates freshwater and coastal ecosystems across the United States. Equipped with vision nearly 5 times sharper than that of humans, this apex aerial predator can detect the slightest movement of fish just beneath the water's surface. from hundreds of feet in the air. Using powerful wings, the eagle descends in a calculated glide. At the last moment, it extends razor-sharp, curved talons, locking onto prey with a grip strong enough to penetrate flesh instantly. Unlike diving birds, the bald eagle rarely submerges itself. Instead, it skims the surface, snatching fish in one swift motion before lifting back into the air. These birds often build massive nests, some weighing over a ton, returning to the same site year after year to raise successive generations. As both hunter and scavenger, the bald eagle plays a vital role in maintaining aquatic ecosystem health by controlling fish populations and removing dead organic matter. Beaver, nature's engineer. Beavers are among the most influential ecosystem engineers in North America. Using continuously growing incisors, they fell trees with remarkable precision, cutting through hardwood trunks to construct dams from logs, mud, and vegetation. These structures slow water flow and transform rivers into wetlands. The result is an entirely new habitat, supporting fish spawning grounds, bird nesting areas, and amphibian breeding sites. By raising local water tables, beaver dams also reduce drought impact and limit soil erosion. Their work improves water quality by trapping sediment and filtering pollutants. Entire ecological communities can emerge around a single beaver colony, benefiting species from insects to large mammals. Orca, marine intelligence off the Pacific coast of the United States. Orcas patrol cold ocean waters as apex marine predators. Living in tightly bonded family groups known as pods, these whales demonstrate advanced social structure and long-term cooperation. Communication occurs through a complex system of whistles, clicks, and pulsed calls, unique to each pod. Using echolocation, orcas emit sound waves that bounce off objects in their environment, allowing them to detect prey even in total darkness or murky water. Their cooperative hunting strategies enable them to herd schools of fish into tight formations or isolate seals from ice flows. Some populations even specialize in hunting techniques, passing learned behaviors from one generation to the next through social learning. Polar bear size hunter. Along Alaska's Arctic coastline, the polar bear survives in one of Earth's most extreme environments. Built for life on sea ice, its thick blubber layer and dense, water-repellent fur provide insulation against freezing temperatures. Polar bears rely on stable ice platforms to hunt seals, their primary source of fat and energy. Using a technique known as still hunting, the bear waits patiently beside seal breathing holes for hours at a time. When prey surfaces for air, the attack is immediate and powerful. But shrinking ice coverage now forces bears to travel greater distances, expending more energy while encountering fewer hunting opportunities. This growing imbalance threatens their survival in a rapidly warming Arctic environment. Across mountains, forests, oceans, and frozen tundra, America's wild places continue to sustain a remarkable diversity of life. From the silent flight of the bald eagle to the engineering mastery of the beaver, from the intelligence of orcapods to the resilience of the polar bear, each species plays a critical role in maintaining the delicate balance of its ecosystem. But this balance is increasingly fragile. As climates shift and human presence expands, these ancient systems face unprecedented pressure. Protecting them means preserving not only wildlife, but the landscapes that define the natural heritage of an entire continent. Because the future of the wild depends on what we choose to protect today.